political beliefs check? Pro-choice or pro-life? Anti-death penalty or pro-death penalty? Do you believe in climate change or not? Do you believe in gay marriage or not? Do you despise Trump or approve of him?
Fight! What? And nothing hurts anymore. I feel kind of free. We're still the kids we used to be.
Hold on. I've just found out that Americans don't size their paper like A2, A3, A4. Like if you ask an American for an A4 piece of paper, they're gonna be baffed. What the fuck?
Damn.
You're so cute, Rio. You know that? Oh, really?
What are you doing?
I'm recording you.
Huh?
What?
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Come here. Come here, Blue. Where's Amari? Huh? Where's Amari? Call Amari.
What are you doing?
Call Amari. Tell him to come here. Yeah? Oh, okay.
First we get some tap water and add a pinch of salt and put it on to boil. Now the water's boiling, we can add the spaghetti. Bring it back to the boil, then turn it down and let it simmer until it's tender. While waiting for the spaghetti to cook, I grate the cheese. Minute on the lips, lifetime on the hips. Once it's done, take a piece and throw it at the wall. If it sticks, it's definitely done. Now we dish up. Then I add some ketchup, then some cheese, and a bit more ketchup. Voila! And that's how you cook my favourite meal.
That you love me, baby, if you mean it. Give me all your love and don't stop. I love waiting when you reach the top.
I don't know who that person is, but she's not my owner. That's not my owner. Don't let her in. Should choose yourself. Come on through. I didn't know it was you at all with the mask.
Bad boys, what are you going to do? What are you going to do?
When they entangle with you,
You're not supposed to say like that.
what's wrong?
$70?
Read this.
Oh,
Read it.
what? I ain't got glasses on. Society, if boomers could accurately pronounce Chipotle.
Don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go. I don't wanna ruin this one. This type of love don't always come and go.
He has a girlfriend. I don't see her. Turn around. Now you see her.
We're not planning on going.
Oh, fuck. I did it. I totally just fucking drove off and this fucking thing snapped off. Oh, no.
One time I was constipated in the morning because we wake up at 5 a.m. for school and so I took a laxative pill. My first class was theater and I had to poop really bad. The bathrooms in the locker rooms were locked and I couldn't use any other bathroom because people jewel all the time and so I had to keep my shit in. Once everyone including the teacher left to go to the auditorium, I found a toilet in the back of our class. I couldn't keep it in any longer so I took a fat shit and I couldn't get up because my asshole was burning so I sat there for 10 minutes. The teacher and all the kids in my class came back and saw me poop. I forgot to shave my vagina and so they saw my pubic hair as well. Turns out that the toilet that I was pooping in was supposed to be used as a prop for our play and the whole classroom smelled like shit. I got sent to the principal's office.
So I went to the shop and there were so many drinks I couldn't even choose. So I decided to choose the best drink ever, which was Pepsi Cherry.
Ayo, people get confused by the sound of your voice because it doesn't match their perception of what you should sound like according to your race check.
Miroir, dis-moi qui est le plus beau.
You coming tonight? If I am, it'll be in my bedroom. Alone.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
This is what would happen if the moon exploded. If the explosion is weak, the moon would split up into multiple big chunks that would become their own individual moons. So we would just end up with more moons, which is actually kinda cool. If the explosion is strong, the moon would shatter into many smaller bits that would be flying to all directions, including towards us, which is not fun. Many of these would actually land on the surface of the Earth and cause massive damage. If the explosion is just right, it would actually create a ring around the Earth, just like we see on Saturn. The real problem, however, is the lack of the moon's gravity, which would cause the Earth to shift up to 45 degrees, which will severely change the seasons and climate all around the world, and likely cause many ice ages.
I have a serious question. How are some of y'all's coochies so small? Like, I see some of y'all wearing bathing suits and it's like this big in the front. Like, how does it fit? Where does it go? Because, mine doesn't look like that.
These are my ladies. This is Jill. This is my lady Amy. Little Susie. Brianna. You know why we call her Brianna, right? No. It's a long story. Shaniqua. Helga. Miss Kitty. Jeannie. I dream of, Teresa. This is Teresa right here.
Now is Teresa, is that your...
Dirty girl.
No flaky salt this time, Matt.
Flour tortilla?
Don't you do it.
2 eggs.
That scared me. That
American
was close.
cheese. Some refried beans. Eggs. Then my own homemade hot sauce. Some flaky salt.
For the people that don't know me, which is all of you except for Carling, hi Carling, you don't know that I actually am a model. And I used to work for Stock Images. If you don't know what that is, it's basically a site that companies can buy photos for their company instead of hiring a whole team to do the photo shoot. When I do these photos, I never know what companies are using pictures of me. I just sometimes come across them or people send them to me. And I have a separate job that has nothing to do with modeling, and my boss found one of my... Oh my god. So I have an STD now, didn't know it was possible being a virgin. And you're watching Disney Channel.
Whiskey. If this is another Amazon package, I'm gonna flip. I swear to God. What did I say about buying stuff online? Then why did you do it? A gift? From who? Do you want to open it then? Ooh. Which one do we put? That one? Okay. Let's try it out. Oh. Ooh. It even glows in the dark.
I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing.
Five inches is not small, it's average size. I'd like to buy a now. We don't sell owls. Someone told me you did. Who? I just fucking heard one.
How does this turn into this? Puberty and I'm like a friggin'
Obscure moments in pop culture history that I can't believe actually happened. Part 1. The singer Lorde Instagrammed this picture of a bath with the caption, "And I will always love you," after the singer of the song "I Will Always Love You," Whitney Houston, drowned in a bath.
Hey, you dropped your paper in there. Hey, you still got your paper in there, yo. Hey, you still got your paper in there, yo. You still got your paper in there. Do not do. Why you putting it in there? You still got it in there. I don't care. You still got.
You ask me what I'm thinking about. I tell you that I'm thinking about whatever you're thinking about.
I love you too. Can you twerk for us? I know twerking is insane.
Oh, I love you too.
Oh, I love you too. Now shut up and twerk. Maybe she can't hear us. Give it.
Okay, okay.
Twerk for us.
Oh,
here we go. She's moving in front of us.
Yeah!
Yeah,
Good
yeah.
girl.
Yeah, now tell her to show herself.
Stop it, Shaylee.
Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone.
Tear me to pieces, skin and bone. Hello, welcome home. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Shorty hit me up late night on my cell phone.
Fuck you. Eat it.
Babe.
Ow.
Babe.
What? No, what?
Look at me.
Huh?
Look at me.
Come on, I think.
Look at me.
What? Oh shit. I gotta take a pee real quick.
Want to hear something that's been on my mind recently a lot? So last year on New Year's Eve, I made out with a bouncer, and the next morning, he had apparently added me on Snap, and he sent me a picture of a rhino. And turns out he's a zookeeper. And now I frequently wake up to Snapchats of zoo animals.
Bush's baked beans and a poo photo day.
You a slave for this pussy, do not lie.
Some whores in this house. There's some whores in this house. I said certified freak. 7 days a week. Wet ass P word. Make that pull-out game weak. Yeah, you effing with some wet ass P word. Bring a bucket and a mop for this wet ass P word. Give me everything you.
You're supposed to season avocado? I just eat it straight out of the shell. I'm not sure what you mean by that.
Oh, sick. I love dogs. What is it?
What? I ain't a dog, that's a wolf, brother. What is that? Man said dog.
He's right over there. I don't think you should do it. I'm not gonna talk to her about it. Hey, Emily. Hey. Big ass bitch. What was that? Nothing. Forget about anything. I was scrolling through the Snap feed today. My Snap feed, and I saw you talking the most shit about me and my girls. And funny thing is everyone knows damn well that Lulu fake and that top from Target.
Hold on. Remind me again which one of us was tagged in Tyler's most recent Instagram photo, the one of him shirtless at the lake. Yeah, that was me tagging that, not you, bitch.
Tyler, that's Tyler about last Friday night. Tell him which he had more fun.
Hold me back, hold me back.
Your lake house that your daddy pays for.
Coming from a bitch who gets drunk after one White Claw.
One White Claw?
Girls.
How about last Halloween? 2 White Claws down. Who went home with Jason?
Oh, yeah, girls.
You know what?
Yeah. Yeah.
New Super Mario Brothers. Whee!
Hey, Emma. What? Come here. Can you, like, sit on the floor without using your hands and arms?
You use your legs to sit.
Yeah, but just don't use your arms to get to the floor. Just sit.
Ooh, smoked by the cat. Cat shut him in there.
Are you
Well. You couldn't resist the Gulab Jamun, could you, Poppy? That is, if you are really Poppy.
Although I was nervous, I could tell it was Poppy because of the way she didn't bite me on impact. As you can see, these are women's overalls, and after giving Poppy a little bit of water and a kiss, I decided to give her a tour and show her what's new. This is Karen, and she's still being a Karen. This is Pringle, she's a little baby boy. This is a little flock of goth ducks, and here's Julia, she laid her first egg.
Lemon is full grown and beautiful now, and Bertha still sits on an egg. And I know you've been shacking up with this little bunny boy. The government has been spying on me again. I don't even remember what this part was about.
These bitches love Sosa, oh, and I know when fucking with them old boys, you gon' get fucked over.
More female Ghostbusters, the feminists are taking over. I'm an adult virgin. Come on, go! No,
I'm done.
Milo, jump up on the table if you want to go take a bath. No? Jump up on the table if you want to go to the vet. Not that either. Jump up on the table if you're a chunky boy who's ready for dinner.
Hey, if she good see my pussy, he wanna take him a lookie. Got your nigga in love, he said I love fuck like no rookie.
So, what's your trap, Drew?
It's a very good trap.
Well,
Here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Well, we'll find out how good it really is. What? Wait, what? How are you here? Wait, what are you doing? Wait, what are you doing? I have a shovel. Wait, am I gonna die from this?
Please die. Die. Die.
Wait,
die.
what?
Die. Die. Die.
Come on! What?
Don't go wasting your emotions. Lay all your love on me.
Give me all your money. I don't have any money. Guess I'm gonna have to shoot you. Are you good? Yeah. Why are you not scared? You're using your finger. Oh shit, yeah, my bad.
Hi, Challah Queen. Thanks so much for your question. I did go to Jewish overnight camp for 4 summers, and each summer I faked a different medical emergency in the hopes that camp would send me home. A memory that's coming to mind right now is when I threw myself on the ground in the middle of our morning prayer trying to convince everybody that I had fainted. Something else I would do was when I was writing letters home, I would cry directly onto the paper and then smudge my writing with my tears and then draw an arrow and say, "These are my tears, please come pick me up." After 4 summers of that behavior, my parents and camp decided that it would be best for me not to return.
Who snitched on me to my psychiatrist? I can't trust any of you. I make one slanderous video and they cancel all future appointments. You know what? Fuck it. He deserved it. But someone had shown in my TikTok or my tweets or something, because out of nowhere I just got a call and they were like, "So, old mate doctors decided to cancel future appointments," and I'm like, "Why?" And they gave me some bullshit excuse, but I know the real reason. So, if anybody's looking for a patient.
Ben 10 never licked his hand, you stupid whore.
Can I just ask you something, Georgia? And it's just important. Did you stamp on his head?
I don't know. I might have done.
Is it possible?
I don't know. I might have done.
Right, thank you.
Can't remember because I was just, my adrenaline rush was just there.
Knock. Who is it? Who is it?
Say it's the tax people.
The taxes. You can't come in.
Tell them we're gonna fucking kill them.
Memories are blurred and their faces are obscure, but I still know the words of this song. When you fall over your bills and your loved ones have been left, well, listen to the
nails. Oh my god, yeah, sis, like shoot your shot. I don't know what shape to get, like rounded or really, really pointy. And what even is acrylic? Oh, it's plastic. What? Yeah. Do the Instagram baddies know? I'm not sure. Honestly, that's gonna be a hell of a day. That's like a lot to digest for my small stomach. Tiny. Oh my god, yeah, take your time. Just know acrylic and plastic, it's like the square rectangle thing. Not all rectangles are squares, but all squares are rectangles. What shape are my acrylics? Sis, they're square. Yeah. Thanks. Okay, yeah, Sheila, we're gonna go with the square tip.
Here are the craziest stunts ever done. David Blaine was buried alive for 7 days straight. He was put into a coffin underground, and on top of him was a 3-ton water-filled tank. He survived off a small amount of liquids, but he said the hardest thing about this stunt was trying to use the bathroom. This is Martin Strel, and he swam 3,300 miles in the world's deadliest waters. He spent 66 days swimming in the Amazon River. He had constant fevers and severe sunburn. But worst of all, he was bit by piranhas multiple times, tearing the skin off his back. This is Darian Taylor, and he belly flopped 36 feet in the air into a little kid's pool. He did this in the freezing cold, and the pool only had 12 inches of water. Here's another death-defying stunt by David Blaine. He was frozen in ice for days. He spent 63 hours in this block of ice with no food, no sleep, and just one tube to give him water and air. He suffered severe hallucinations, and he said he felt like he was dead. Next, we have the man who climbed Mount Everest in just his shorts. But this takes a drastic turn, and you won't believe what happened, so come back for part 2.
So I bought something from Tiffany's, right? And I was drunk when I wrote the note. However, I don't think that is the note that I wrote. So, Hannah and Jack, I'm so sorry that your mum's present is probably going to have "fuck yourself" written on the note on the inside. But I wish her happy birthday.
In the clip, you see through. What all do you want from me? ARs and them 223s. Fucking around with me.
Just got Five Guys, and I got the Cajun fries with the Cajun seasoning on it, and I was eating it with my fingers, and it got all over my fingers, and then I went to the bathroom to go pee, and I folded my toilet paper over, and I wiped, and it...
In freshman year, my friends and I went to the bathroom during lunch, but when we were like 10 feet away, we smelled the worst stench to exist. It was like a mix of cow dung, dog shit, and straight-ass crack. Then 2 girls ran out screaming that someone dropped a fat dump in one of the toilets and didn't flush. One of my friends wanted to see it, so we both held our breaths and ran into the stank-ass bathroom. When we opened the stall, we both died. That shit was the size of a small dog, I'm not even joking. The bitch who dropped that dookie didn't even try to cover it with toilet paper. There is no way her asshole was okay after taking that poo. Anyways, we took a video of it and posted it on Snap, and everyone talked about it for a week after and asked us what it was like, since we were one of the only few witnesses. Honestly, it was probably the funniest thing to happen freshman year.
Grab a grande size cold cup, fill it to the bottom line with coconut milk, pour that in the blender, add a little bit of strawberry puree, and 2 scoops of dried strawberries. Add 3 pumps of vanilla syrup and 1 pump of raspberry. Add a grande scoop of ice, 3 pumps of cream base, and blend that on 1. When that's blended, pour it in the cup. And this is the Skittles Frappuccino. Enjoy! And this is the recipe for this drink. I hope you guys all enjoy it and have a wonderful Thursday.
You can turn any movie into a porno with the same cast from the movie. Which movie are you picking?
100 racks on me, spin it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. That jet set, watch the sunset, kinda. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Say the word on my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe.
In 3rd grade I had this one Asian teacher who was legit 19 years old and it was her first year teaching. Back then I was a big bully and thought I was better than everyone else. Which was actually true, but we don't talk about it anyway. She always had her boyfriend come in and help cut papers and shit. That boy was pale as fuck and looked like he weighed as much as a box of Cliff Bars. He would wear scarves all the time. And gay ass shoes, so I started a rumor that he was a gay vampire. The rumor spread very fast until one day this kid told his mom about it. His mom was on the PTA and she told my 3rd grade teacher she had to have a talk with our class about it and how it was hurtful to spread rumors like shut the fuck up bitch, it was just a joke. She asked who started it and this one girl that smelled like the bottom of a mayo jar snitched on me like what the fuck, I will literally spit on you bitch. My teacher took me out to the hallway and told me that was very rude of me and what I said was wrong. Then I called her a homophobe because she thinks that being gay is wrong. She kept saying no, that's not what she said, but I was like, bitch, that was what came out of your mouth while I was arguing with this girl. The principal of my school walked by and asked what was going on. I said that the teacher was being homophobic and said that being gay was wrong. My principal had a gay daughter, so she yelled at my teacher and then told me to go back to class and handed me a sticker. I eased my way out of that and then my 3rd grade teacher quit 4 weeks later.
He has no lips. How will he get a kiss? Very ugly. No kiss for him. Oh my God, so handsome.
Whiskey, if this is another Amazon package, I'm gonna flip. I swear to God. What did I say about buying stuff online? Then why did you do it? A gift? From who? Do you want to open it then? Ooh. Which one do we put? That one? Okay. Let's try it out. Oh. Ooh. It even glows in the dark.
SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob Cornerpants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants.
Hi guys, I'm Mr. Mackenzie and I'm going to be your maths teacher this year. Are we the bottom set? Sets really don't mean anything. It's not about top and bottom, it's just about how long it takes you to learn things.
So we're the bottom set?
Yeah.
But I got a 13% fail last year.
Yes, Thomas, and that's why you're in this class.
But 13% fail's good, it means I got the other 82% right.
That's really not how it works at all, unfortunately, but even if it was, it would be the other 87% of the exam that you got right.
So you're saying I did even better than I thought? Can I phone my mum and tell her?
Firstly, can you stop shouting? And secondly, no, you can't call her, because a 13% fail is nothing to celebrate.
Can I call my mum?
No, you don't need to call your mum. Nobody needs to call their mum.
Oh, okay.
Right, let's just get going. So you see this algebra question, much easier than you think. All you do is just carry the 5 over, then it's just 5 times 5, which is...
Fuck you asking me for?
Okay then, you, 5 times 5.
Don't worry, I've got this.
It's gonna be a long year.